So when your module arrives, it will be semi-assembled. So the way to put the units together, if you firstly remove the front drive that accommodates the XL, the box at the back will then just simply slide out. This will allow you access to the sides of the module, the screw holes here and here that can be used to either mount your second module or your ears. So very straightforward. So for this assembly, we're going to combine the Streamdeck XL drawer with the dual SSD bay. They just bolt side by side, dead straightforward. Okay, so now you've assembled the main system, you can reassemble this Streamdeck drawer assembly. So your back box needs to go in first, and that just slots in at the back there. Slide that forward all the way, which will then give access to the drawer assembly that comes together, and then your little hex screws just fit in either side. It goes together very simply. Make sure not to over tighten. It just wants to hold the assembly in place without clamping up too tightly. Otherwise your drawer mechanism may have a bit of friction on it. So there we have it. That's the fully assembled Streamdeck XL with the dual SSD bay. So you can see at the back of the drawer there's the hole that accommodates the cable, and your unit is now ready to accept. So there's your Streamdeck XL fitted into the drawer mount, ready to go in your rack. Hope you have lots of fun with it. So if you've selected one of the SSD modules, either the dual bay module here or the Raspberry Pi module that we saw earlier that has the SSD bay next to it, you will need one of these U-green SATA to USB connectors. So when you're assembling these, there's a link in the description to where you can get these, dead straightforward, dead handy. The mounting elements of the SSD bay, two simple parts. There is a front and a back, but that will be marked into your kit. And the way that goes together is dead straightforward. Your SATA adapter just slides in to the front element. When you've got it in the front, you slide on the back element, and then those two go together and they mount very simply into each bay. And you can see how that comes together quite simply there. And remember, you will need one for each bay.